for the love of God, because I do love God, please do not go and purchase a new car. So today I want to talk about some common mistakes that home buyers make when they are purchasing a home. And I want to talk about these mistakes so that you don't make these same mistakes when you're getting ready to purchase a home. It's going to save you a lot of time and it's going to save you a lot of hassle. And that way you can make sure that you do get the house. Hey guys, my name is Tanisha Ellens Barrett. I'm a real estate agent located in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty. I help home buyers and home sellers, and I help answer questions for home buyers and home sellers so that you can make a smart financial decision when you are getting ready to purchase or sell a home. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's video. But before I do, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons for me. I appreciate it so much. It's going to let me know that you are enjoying my channel and that you want to see more content just like this. All right, so let's go ahead and get into today's topic, and that is discussing the mistakes that home buyers make, or some of the mistakes, because honestly, I probably can't cover all of the mistakes that home buyers make. There's always something new in the world of real estate. The number one mistake that many home buyers make when they're getting ready to purchase a home is not choosing the right real estate agent. Choosing the right real estate agent is super important when you are getting ready to make one of the most important financial decisions that you will make, and probably one of the most expensive purchases that you will make in your lifetime. So you want to make sure that you are picking an agent that is communicative, an agent that understands what your end goal is, and one that is not just going to push you into a house just to get a commission check. Now, another mistake that I see home buyers making is not having the funds needed in order to purchase a home. What do I mean by that? Home buyers will sometimes lie or stretch the truth about their income. They may stretch the truth about what they have in their savings, and just overall stretch the truth about whether or not they are financially ready to purchase a home. And I strongly advise you against that, because your mortgage professional is going to verify all of this information before you step foot into that home. It's no point in wasting your time and wasting their time. So be upfront, and a good mortgage professional is going to go ahead and verify this information before they even give you a pre-approval. But in the instance that they don't, make sure you are being truthful about whether you are financially able to purchase a home. Make sure you have money set aside for your earnest money deposit, for your down payment. Make sure you have money for your inspection. Make sure you have money for a termite inspection. Make sure you have money for your appraisal. And you also want to make sure you have some reserves when you're moving into the home, because you want to make sure you're able to pay your monthly bills that are going to arise. Now, your first mortgage payment isn't going to be due immediately. However, you still need to be financially sound when you're purchasing a home. Now, another mistake that home buyers sometimes make is opening new accounts while they are under contract with a home. Do not open up any new accounts. Do not open up any new credit card accounts. Yes, you're excited. Yes, you want to go ahead and start purchasing furniture for your home. You want to go ahead and start purchasing whatever it is that you want to purchase. But do not open up any new accounts. Do not spend a load of money on things that you don't need right now. Wait until after you have closed on your home. And for the love of God, because I do love God, for the love of God, please do not go and purchase a new car before you close on your home. Yes, you want to stunt on social media. You want to say, new year, new house, new car, new me. Don't do that, please. And guys, real quick, if you are still watching this video, thank you so much. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below if you did it the first time. Now, the final mistake that I will leave you with today that I see home buyers making is rushing into a home that they are not happy with. Do not purchase a home just because you feel pressured. You feel like you are 25 years old and time is ticking by and you need the house, the baby, the marriage. Do not do that. Purchase a home when you are ready to purchase a home, and purchase the home that you want to purchase. Now, when I say that, I have to be careful because, of course, many of us want to live in a $1 million mansion. That is the home that we ultimately want to purchase. But when I say purchase the home that you want to purchase, I mean within realistic standards. If this is your first home, then you have to understand that your home may not have all of the bells and whistles. You don't have to move into a home where the floors are sinking in or there's a hole in the ceiling. Your goal isn't moving into a fixer-upper to fix it up and gain extra equity and stay in it. Then don't move into a fixer-upper. For some people, they are okay with that. But if you're not okay with that and you want to move in a home that is move-in ready, then make sure you do that, and make sure you are doing that when the time is right for you. Don't let anyone rush you. Don't let anyone make you feel like you have to purchase a home. Yes, renting is high. Renting is extremely high, and purchasing a home is likely cheaper than renting right now. Those are my tips. These are some of the common mistakes that I see many home buyers making. I hope this video has helped you to know what not to do when you're getting ready to purchase a home. But as always, if you have any questions about purchasing a home and the do's and don'ts when it comes to purchasing a home, make sure you are reaching out to a trusted real estate professional. Make sure you're reaching out to a mortgage lender, and make sure you are well informed before you start your home buying process. And of course, if you are in South Carolina and you are looking for a real estate agent to assist you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will include my contact information below. And if you're looking for a great mortgage professional, I will also include one of my preferred lenders and their information below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking my video, just like I know you did. But if for some reason you didn't, here's one more chance to hit the like and subscribe buttons for me. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.